I mean, I think the real key with this that people need to understand is the advantage to this. The biggest advantage is that it will last basically forever. You could take the boards up and put new ones down, but even these boards might last 50 years. Treated boards last a long time. Whereas you could build this whole thing, if you really know what you're doing, you could probably build something like this, and it would take a little bit longer, but it wouldn't take that much longer, potentially. But then the posts are just going to rot apart. The whole thing's... we've demoed old staircases like this, and the whole thing has to go. Whereas this, you might have to readjust things in 10 years or in 5 years, but...
But the fact that you can readjust is a huge advantage.
Exactly. But yeah, like I wonder if, depending on the surface, if you had like... someone could put these posts... They're like feet for the bottom of them or something that they could, screw down to what they have, I don't know.
Oh. Well, you could take those feet that we included, right? And you could screw them to the bottom and screw them to whatever you have. Like you're saying, if it's on rock, if you're on rock, you cut the posts to the length, height you want.
There, it's like you don't really need a bunch of the strength in that, especially if you're pretty close to the ground.
Exactly. In addition, the aluminum posts can be mounted in concrete if the ground is too soft, or if you've got to dig up a bunch of boulders or something and you leave a big opening. However, it is important that you paint the posts with an aluminum self-etching primer before immersing them in the concrete.